Hi, I'm John Han, the Senior Lab Manager here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. The Samsung Bespoke Jet AI separates itself from other cordless vacuums with a variety of features. The most obvious is the cleaning station, which allows the vacuum to empty itself after use and store the contents of its dustbin into a self-sealing bag located inside the base. It has a removable battery. Batteries are often a common failure point for cordless vacuums, so if you ever feel like the power is starting to fade, you can just get a new battery, swap it in. And finally, it has the titular AI. This is an upgrade from the previous Bespoke model. The AI programming allows the vacuum to automatically adjust its suction depending on the floor type it is sensing. So here are some things that we like about the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. First and foremost, it has superior cleaning prowess. During testing, it picked up around 90% of the testing dirt we laid out for it. Our testing dirt is made from a variety of particulate sizes, ranging from 425 to 600 microns. So that ranges from very fine dirt or dust in your home all the way to coarse sand that you track in on your feet. We also found that the Bespoke AI did well against large debris. We tested it with Burmese mountain dog hair. That's really long hair that often tangles. It has a pet hair tool designed for that. We also tested it by having it pick up uncooked rice and macaroni to simulate crumbs and fallen debris, and it did well against that as well. So overall, we found that the Bespoke AI can cover all your cleaning bases. So Samsung has really upped its battery game this time around. The battery that comes with the Bespoke AI has about 17 minutes of battery life on its highest setting, around 30 minutes on its AI setting, though that may vary depending on how much carpet you have, and it lasts about 100 minutes on its lowest setting. Samsung claims that this vacuum has the longest battery life of any of its competitors, and based on our testing, that is true. There's a lot of innovation to be made in the battery space, so that might not hold up, but for now, that is actually true. It's got the longest battery life of any vacuum. Something else that we like about this Samsung Bespoke Jet AI is just how easy it is to use. From the back, it's got an ergonomic handle, so we found it really easy to kind of tilt it up and down. It also has a telescopic wand, so it can adjust to your height to make it more comfortable while you're vacuuming. And with the AI setting, you don't need to fumble around with any type of guesswork about what level of suction to use. And at the bottom of the unit, there's the active dual brush head, which has LED lights, which really help with finding dust bunnies underneath your couch. And as a final note, we like the fact that the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI is relatively aesthetically pleasing. Now, for some people that might not matter, but you typically will be more likely to use something if you like the way it looks. And also, you don't necessarily want your vacuum to kind of stick out like a sore thumb if you want it out in the open. Here are some things that we don't like about the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. First off, it's lost some features from previous models, specifically the attachment caddy. As we said before, this thing comes with a lot of attachments. In previous models, there was a way to organize them really easily. This time around, you're going to have to buy that separately. And also, previous models came with an extra battery. That's also sold separately this time around too. Another thing that we don't like about the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI is just how expensive it is. As of right now, it's retailing for around $800, which for most people, that's just way too much for a vacuum. We do think it's worth it based on just how much suction power you're getting and how much battery life you're getting. But for a lot of people, you're gonna have to wait until it comes on sale. Overall, the pros are, it has superior cleaning prowess. It comes with a wide variety of attachments and features. It has an incredible battery life and is easy to use and well designed. The cons are, it lacks some accessories previous models had, and it's on the pricier side. Should you buy the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI? We think yes. If you're tired of vacuums that are just really weak, you're looking for a big upgrade, this is the one to get. You don't need to empty it as often because it self-empties. That also helps with hygiene. If you've got a lot like sensitive allergies, having all the dirt go straight into a self-sealing bag means there's never a dust plume when you empty it over a trash can. The longer battery life means less hassle. You can clean your whole house without having to recharge. And the superior suction means you're gonna get the clean that you want. So even though this is really expensive, this is our #1 tested vacuum, so we think it's a good value. For the full review and for other vacuum reviews, head over to review.com.